Another exercise we're going to look at is called the zigzag step. So I'm going to be in a stationary position and I don't need much room for my zigzag crossover step. It's going to help with the movement through the hips and the coordination again. So with our zigzag step, I'm going to first do it front on and then I'm going to turn around so that you can work with me. So with my zigzag step, we're just going to bring ourselves into a side-to-side movement. This is essentially the movement pattern we're working through, is a zigzag through. Sorry, side to side through, but we will take it on a zigzag cross step through. So I come across to the side, I come up on an angle, across to the side, back on an angle. So I am making a little cross on the floor as I zigzag and I cross through. So my up leg that I'm working on is my left leg. So the front leg coming up. So I'm going to turn around for you to the side. So in a stationary position, I first come across the side, up on my angle, across to the side, back angle, across the side, up angle, cross, back angle, across, up, across, back. So across, up. And just bring our side to side step through. Now we're going to change the direction of our crisscross step. So deep breath, come up, across, back, angle. So we're zigzagging up and back down. Up on the angle, to the side, back angle, to the side, up angle, so deep breath through, guys. Let's bring it into a little march. So if I'm going to come facing on in front of you again, so we come across the side, up on the angle, across the side, back angle. Love this exercise for the movement through the hips. We're getting the mobility through the hips. We're also getting some strengthening through your glutes and through the sides of your legs. Not to mention the coordination through. So just bring it back to the side, take the other side up to the side, back on the angle. So take a deep breath, bring it back to the side movement. And bring ourselves into a little bit of a march. So another one to practice at home, guys, for coordination, for balance, helping with the hips, helping with the mobility. Zigzag step, crisscross step, have a go.